Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fiverr account, manage gigs and orders step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or launch the Fiverr app on your phone. Type Fiverr.com in the address bar, or confirm you are using the official Fiverr app. Check that you have a stable internet connection to avoid login errors. Click the Sign In button at the top right of the Fiverr homepage. Choose the login method you used when creating your account, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you choose email, enter your registered email address and your password carefully. If you choose Google or Apple, select the correct account and approve the sign-in request. Complete any security check or CAPTCHA if Fiverr asks you to verify you are not a robot. If you see a two-step verification prompt, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. After you log in, look at the top menu and click your profile photo to open the account menu. Select Dashboard to view your earnings, active orders, and quick performance stats. Go to your profile menu and click Selling to switch into seller mode if you are not already there. Click Gigs from the seller menu to see all the services you have listed. Press Create a new gig if you want to add a new service with a title, category, and pricing packages. Click any existing gig to edit its title, description, images, FAQs, requirements, and delivery time. Use the gig status toggle to pause a gig if you want to stop receiving new orders temporarily. Open the Orders tab and choose Active Orders to manage current projects you are working on. Click an order to read the buyer's instructions, attach files, and delivery deadline. Use the message box inside the order page to ask clear questions if any requirement is missing. Click Deliver Work when you are ready. Then upload files, add a delivery note, and confirm delivery. If the buyer requests changes, open the order and use the revision option to update your work. Check the inbox regularly to respond fast, because response time affects your seller performance. Go to Earnings to track cleared funds, pending funds, and your withdrawal options. Open Analytics to monitor gig impressions, clicks, and conversions to improve your listings. Visit the Reviews area to read feedback and learn what buyers like most about your service. Update your availability settings if you will be offline, so buyers know when to expect replies. Log out safely by clicking your profile photo and choosing Log Out, especially on shared devices. If you forget your password, use Forgot Password on the sign-in page and follow the reset email instructions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.